Hello friends and welcome to VAGPE Media. This is Follow Me, and in today's tutorial we are going to see how to create a beautiful, engaging birthday video with the use of one mobile software which is named Kinemaster, which is very user-friendly software. In this video I'm going to show you everything starting from how to install this app in your mobile all the way till how to edit every single vital part of this video and download it at the end. So do not skip any part of this video. So let us go to our mobile screen and let us head over to Google Play Store. Type Kinemaster here and install. Instead of open, here you will find install button. So install it in your mobile. So once installed, click on this new project option. New project option, if you click, it will open up different ratios in front of you. So for me it is 16:9 which I am going to use. You can use any other ratio you feel like. Now once the ratio is fixed, it will automatically open your media browser and select all your downloaded videos which you want to use. Now the first video should be something which is called introductory video or intro video in your video. So intro clip has to be engaging. You can either download it from Google or from Pixabay or Pixel. These softwares are free softwares. Now if you want to trim it a little bit, you can go for this trim option. And if you go for trim option, there will be two options, trim left side or trim right side. So in our case, we will be trimming left part of this video. So once it is done, I am ready with my introductory video. Now let us go for the media option again and let us take the second video clip. Next video clip I have taken. Now if I select the video clip, it will automatically open me that trim or split option. Now you go to split option and then you can add another video here at the end from video assets, where you will get the store at the top right hand side corner, and you can select any other videos if you want to. So in my case I am keeping this selected and download it in my Kinemaster dashboard so that I can use it at the end of this video. So download it from this button. And then you go to this plus icon and then select. As soon as you select it, transition effects will be opening. So you choose any transition effect. I am choosing classic transitions here. Under each transition you will get different kind of styles. So I am choosing this cross-fade style which I really like personally. You can choose any one of your choice. Once done, then I am going to make another transition, but this time with text. So I am going to add one text transition at the beginning between the intro and the second clip. So you can type your text like this and change the colors, and then you can give it a beautiful retro poster style. Once it is done, then again give a trim and you can change the speed from one side. So I am trimming out the right hand side part, and now I am going to change the speed. I am going to make this part little fast. So I will keep the speed at 2. Now let me add another clip. I have taken my third clip here. Expected it will be real clip which you must have shot in your mobile. In my case I have taken an example clip. Once done, then again make a slit. Split is an option where you can create layers. Once done, then go to the effect store. Effect store will give you many options to add a beautiful layer in your video. I am going to this color option and I am going to take this tonal shift option and download it. Now close the button, the effect store here, and just select this tonal shift or whatever effect you have downloaded. Let us go to the color adjustment part. This is very important for you to make your video look vibrant. So let us go to adjustment option like this and change the layers. Now let us give another transition, and this time I am using presentation transition. Here again you will get different type of presentation. I am using spin. So I am taking this total shift again. Now the last part is I am going to use an audio here. Go to audio section and add any audio of your choice. You can take your own audio or you can take it from the studio, and then go to the download button and download it to a high resolution, and then save the video in your hard drive, and your beautiful birthday video is ready. So it just takes 6 to 10 minutes to create a beautiful, amazing birthday video like this and make your little ones these special days more special for you and for everybody. So if you liked my tutorial, please make sure you give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to join my WhatsApp group and explore the description box where you'll be getting other beautiful videos, and you will get to know about VAGPE Media Coaching app, where you can get different graphic designing courses which you can explore. Thank you so much. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe, stay lit.